is Panther and welcome to my channel Panther YT. So today we are going to make a frog. So let's get started. So before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So first you need to take a square paper. You have to fold it in the half like this. Now just open it and cut it. So yeah. Now fold this in the half. Now fold this like this in the triangle shape and then open it and again fold it in triangle shape. Now fold this here. Now do it like this. Now same you have to do this side. Now when you have done this, do this, fold this like this and then here. Now when you have done this, fold this in the middle like this. I mean not in the middle. Now same do this side. Now when you have done this, fold this like this. Make this like this. Now take this thing and just first fold it like this. Then put this in this small hole. Now do same this side. Now put this also in this small hole. Yeah. Now fold this in the middle like this. Then fold this again here. And this, you have to take your marker, make one small eye over here and then make one small eye over here, or you can also put googly eyes that side. You see, it is ready now. So thank you guys, thanks for watching this episode. Bye.